everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what we received in the March Sophie and Toffee Sakura themed Elves box, as well as showing you how to make a super cute trinket box using some of the items included. The Sophie and Toffee Elves box is a monthly subscription box that you can sign up to and receive a range of exclusive crafting supplies. If you would like to know some more info about these boxes or just Sophie and Toffee in general, then take a look at the description box below. So in the March box we got one silicone trinket box mould, 2-part epoxy resin, Sakura open bezel charms, a Sakura rainbow spoon, rhinestone chain, pressed flowers, a Sakura flower mould, 2 bookmarks, pigment dyes, and some stickers. So don't forget to check out the Sophie and Toffee website if you're interested, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing I did was take my flower mould, some UV resin and some pigments, and I also used a pearl pigment I already had from a previous box to give the resin a shimmer. So I mixed together a light pink and a darker pink, spread it into the mould, and then exposed the resin to UV light to cure or harden it. I ended up making 5 in total, and then I took some gems I had from the February Elves box and used the UV resin to stick them in the centre of each flower for some extra detailing. Moving on to the actual trinket box, I'm of course using the mould we received as well as the 2-part resin and a plastic cup for mixing. I used a scale to weigh my resin and ended up using 40 grams of part A and 20 grams of part B because it has a 2:1 ratio, so you want half the amount of part B compared to the part A. You want to gently stir the resin until it becomes completely clear, and then you can add your colouring. I added my pearl pigment again as well as a small amount of blue and then mixed everything together before also adding a few different glitters. Once your mixture is ready, you can pour it into your moulds and then leave it overnight to harden. After being left for a good amount of time and they've completely cured, you can then demold them and begin adding any little details that you like. I stuck on the flowers I made at the start of the video and also took the rhinestone chain and added it around the edge of the lid. For the little Beachy Pond part inside my trinket box, I firstly took some star sand and I mixed it with UV resin to stick it in. I found some shells that I had and I placed a few of these on the sand before curing it with my UV light. For the water, I made a mixture of white UV resin, which I actually think I made a little too opaque, so it didn't quite turn out how I wanted. But anyway, I poured that into the bottom of the box, and before curing it, I then added some blobs of clear resin over the top and let it spread out for a water effect. And then of course I cured all that UV resin with my UV light, and I also put it in the sun as well. And there you have it. This is what my finished Trinket box looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.